It is common for all of us to feel sad and unhappy at certain times. But when emotions such as hopelessness and despair stay for longer periods of time, then the person might have signs of depression. More than just sadness in response to life struggles and setbacks, depression changes the way you think, feel, and function in daily activities. It can interfere with your ability to work, study, eat, sleep, and enjoy life. Depression is considered to be the most common mental health illness in the world. The signs and symptoms of depression may go unnoticed and might be difficult to recognize because it is a serious mental illness. But at the same time, it can also be treated with proper medications and therapies. Many people do not seek professional help because they feel it's not a serious issue. But in fact, it is very important not to ignore the signs of depression because delaying the help can only make things worse. Now, let's look at the signs and symptoms of depression which people may experience. Feeling excessively tired is a very common symptom of depression. This loss of energy and feeling tired most of the time can interfere with the ability to function normally. These people do not have the energy and desire to do anything. They will constantly cancel all the plans, appointments, and also avoid daily routine tasks. Due to lack of energy, they will also stop taking care of their health as well as their appearance. Eating too much or too little is another sign of depression, which may cause significant weight loss or weight gain. That is, a change of more than 5% of body weight in a month. It may be different for each person. Some people will have an increased appetite in which they will eat a lot of food and gain weight because they don't realize how much they are eating. While some people will not feel hungry at all and will lose weight because they don't have that much energy to prepare meals. People who are depressed tend to have sleep disturbances. Some of them may pretend that they are sleeping so that nobody bothers them. But in reality, they are struggling hard to sleep because their mind is constantly racing with negative thoughts. While some of them will sleep too much in order to avoid talking to anyone. Depression is a mood disorder and it affects the way you feel and think about life in general. Depressed people usually develop a hopeless or helpless outlook towards life. They have a tendency to ruminate about the past, due to which they feel very negative and worthless about themselves. These negative thoughts can also create suicidal thoughts in an attempt to end or escape from their emotional pain. It is very essential to pay attention to these negative thoughts as it might save a life. People who are depressed may also drink alcohol or take drugs to uplift their mood or escape from feelings of guilt or sadness. However, consuming drugs or alcohol can increase the risk for addiction and it may further develop into substance abuse disorder. Just like physical illness, mental illness can also be treated with proper medications and therapies. If you notice these signs of depression in yourself or other people around you, and if these signs are present for more than 3 to 4 weeks, then do not try to hide it or conceal it. Instead, talk to someone who is trustworthy or approach a mental health professional. Together we can fight with depression. It is treatable. If you found this video helpful, do share it with others and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.